Hey everyone, Danielle here from Mastering Mathematics, and in today's video we're going to be discussing how we perform matrix algebra. Today's video is all about subtraction, so pay attention to how we perform subtraction on matrices. Now, addition is pretty straightforward, and once you understand how to perform addition, subtraction follows suit. All you need to do is perform the operation of subtraction on any two corresponding elements, and you'll get the result. What we need to understand when performing addition and subtraction is that the matrices must be of the same order. Do you think we can find the difference of these matrices? If you said yes, that's correct. The order of these two matrices are the same, so we can perform the operation. All you need to do is perform the operation of subtraction on any two corresponding elements, and you'll get the result. So you can take your time and try doing the difference. I'll outline the steps so you can follow along and see if you are doing it properly. Pay attention to the signs with the directed numbers. Once you're able to simplify those numerical statements, you'll be able to get each result, and your matrix should look like this. Feel free to drop a comment to let us know if you understood this particular tutorial, if you enjoyed it. Well, that's it for today's video. Tune in next time when we continue our adventures in the matrix.